Thank you very much.
Any questions? Thank you, sir. Go ahead, Mr. Froehlich. Yeah.
My name is Monte Froehlich, and my wife Lisa is in the audience with me. We decided to spend part of our 29th wedding anniversary with you because we love Lincoln and want it to continue to prosper. I want to commend the City Council and the Mayor for promoting fairness and equality for everyone. I'm against any form of discrimination in the workplace, and I believe my peers feel the same way. However, I'm concerned that this will be used as a sword more than a shield. I have 3 points I'd like to make, so I'm going to move very quickly in respect of your time. They can be remembered by LTV. L, leadership. I heard Carl's radio interview on KLIN, and Carl mentioned that we were the only city in the Big Ten that doesn't have this ordinance, as if this were a compelling reason to follow suit. This community, this university, and this state are not content to merely be a member of the Big Ten. Rather, the only place we are content with is to lead the Big Ten. I, like most Nebraskans, was very proud to see Ron Brown demonstrate leadership in helping Penn State deal with their moral meltdown. It is saddening to then see the attacks he has taken for merely stating his religious opinions. We preach against bullying on the playground, but somehow bullying in the public square is ignored. There is a campaign to have him fired, so bullying in the marketplace is also fine. Peter Drucker says the only definition of a leader is someone who has followers. We are now in first place, not last place, demonstrating to the Big Ten and the rest of America's cities that we aren't just a bunch of followers. You've done a good job leading us into this enviable position of being in first place. T, timing. This isn't the first time in our nation's history that there has been a major debate over lifestyle choices. My individual right to choose my lifestyle and be protected against discrimination for my choice. In the 1800s, a battle raged for 50 years over the same issue, only a different lifestyle choice. The group that was discriminated against were the polygamists, but it was the same love argument. They said we have a right to choose our lifestyle, and in fact, it should be protected. Today, it's LGBT, but with equality, how can we go this far and not be fair to other lifestyle choices that are not represented yet? The major difference between now and then is that there is government support to defend protected classes. As a business owner, you can take this to the bank. Every business in Lincoln does everything possible to limit distractions and focus on what they do best. No business wants to spend resources in litigation, especially in litigation where the alleged victims fight for free. With us, losing a job is last resort and always overperformance. We have had to defend claims based on protected classes because it's free. It is the preferred method of vendetta, and they are expensive and frankly a greater threat than any competition. You cannot be pro-jobs and add another protected class because it is opposite of fair to business owners. If you want to sharpen Lincoln's competitive edge, please vote against this proposed ordinance. That very important cultural war took 50 years to resolve. The council is proposing to resolve this on May 14th. Isn't this important enough to take some time and be more careful? We hire people and we house people, so I have a good business perspective on the potential consequences. Please do not make it harder to focus on our core businesses in Lincoln. V, vote. The anti-discrimination policies in the city are very important, so much so that they are contained in our city charter and voted on by the people. You're all intelligent people, but with something this important, shouldn't this be voted on by the people of Lincoln?
1 minute.
I urge members of the City Council to keep us in first place and lead our Big Ten followers, to take some time and let the people vote. Thank you for your time and for serving.
Question, Mr. Froehlich. Thank you, sir.